Oh, competitive advantage is the is a favorable position and organize in order to be more profitable than the competitors. So competitive advantage is the position of an organization than its competitors. So in any business organization, there is a competition between the other organizations. So in order to remain competitive with other competitors, you should have the competitive advantage. So the four fundamental success drivers of competitive advantages is cost competitiveness, quality factor, speed factor, and the innovative innovation. Cost competitiveness, quality, speed, and innovation. Cost means this. That means you have to sell the product at reasonable rate. Dell Computers are this company dealing. They provide computers in affordable price. Chinese products dominating the Asian market by keeping price low. Many major Intel manufacturing plants to cheap labors like Intel establishment, China, Pakistan, India, and Bangladesh. By managing labor, manufacturing, and minimize taxes, result in low cost of product. So it means if you cost competitiveness means low price means always it will it will attract the customers. But one thing you have to remember that low cost, not only low cost, the brand name and the quality of the product is also important. Okay. Now the quality is the excellence of the product, including such things such as attractiveness, lack of defects, reliability, and term. Dell computers maintain quality as well as cheaper than other. Intel Corporation deals in many computer products like processors and motherboard and satisfies people by performance reliability of their products. So quality means the brand name. That means the quality is achieved through a long-term process and as so not only cost, the quality of the product and its reliability. That means reliability means the lifetime of a product, and the that means how much period it works without failure, and the dependability. Okay, next. Now the speed with which the fast and timely execution of the response. Dell computers get specification of from the user, deliver the same within 36 hours because they have good coordination with supplier. That means Pizza Hut deliver each order in. That means the speed of delivery of products. When the consumer demands a product, they cannot wait for too long. If they wait for too long, they will go for another firm or another company. Okay, that's it. Innovation means the creativity. That means modify the existing products, improvise the existing products. P&G producing 1,000 each other because innovative they share and view of customers. Mm. Samsung leading cell phone company dominating because of new ideas in the. So innovation means introducing a new product into the market, also enhancing the existing product. Okay. Challenges of a manager means okay. Challenges of a manager. So the achieving a stretch goal. The goal of the organization is to make profit. The goals associated with the objectives. Uh, if your organization aggressive, then those goals require more than typical amount of effort. It's going to take some careful planning for you to figure and resources to achieve an aggressive goal. Bringing out the best in your employees. That means the manager, that management is the art of getting things done through others. So that means you should others uh, uh, in a structured organization. So you have to make the employees work. Employees work means make them work to their full potential. So treat every employee with respect. So all employees have good days and bad days. Some of our causes are out. So, but it's important that you take steps as many days as possible good days. Treat every employee with respect. Help employees align their personal goals with their work goals. Provide a work environment that is appropriate for work and conducive to employee well-being. Encourage employee communication and cooperation. These are these But these were not your typical awards. Team leader, team player, good manager will grow, and your own career will be enhanced. So make the maximum utilization of the employees. Okay, that's it. Dealing with the underperforming employees. So managers should help the employees to cope with personal issues. You will provide motivation, counsel, maybe steer them to appropriate resources inside or outside your company. Managers have to balance the needs of the organization. So the individual aims plus the organizational aims. That means the needs of the employees and the needs of the organization should go together. Yeah. Dealing with the outstanding employees. The outstanding employees. So then you should recognize the talent and efforts of certain employees who are outstanding, or who are performing at the peak, or who are extraordinary. So above all, they need to have a career path in your company and can take place. Okay, to recognition through various rewards, etc. Okay, should be given to the outstanding employees. Okay, hiring the right people. So that means hiring the right people means if you're successful, you this the staff appointment. Right man should be put in the right job. So hiring is easy, but hiring the right person is extremely difficult. So that's it. Now responding to a crisis. Now the challenges of management. So there can be crisis all the time, at any time. So what happens? Like, you have to deal with the crisis. Employee will get sick at a critical time. Weather disaster will hit your facility. Crime will be committed, maybe theft or even some harm on the employee. The crisis hits, you will be able to deal with calmly, quietly, and without being overwhelmed by stress. Okay. Continuous improvement. No matter how good your organization gets, it can do better. There is always some type of improvement. Okay. Conclusion. Management is complicated. It requires skill and motivation. But most of all, it requires commitment. The commitment needs to rise to these seven challenges.